So here it is, what we're doing for the WRX. Yep, airbags. Biggest thing we've ever done, and we don't even know if we're gonna be able to do it. So compressors over here, another one, and his bags, his struts. Oh man. Man, these things are big. Are these the back or the front? The back. Dang. Where do you see them?
These ones are big.
Big. I could like just look at them.
You should look at the front ones.
Those are bigger? Yeah, I bet. Dang. Yeah, look, has the same thing, right? Dang. Some air in there or what? It only has two. Yeah, mostly the ones in the back always have two. What are these? Wow, that's how you know we're gonna start off bad. We don't even know what half of this thing stuff is. What is that, the same? Oh no, that's different. Oh. The what? Right here? Oh, okay. Oh, the dampener. Yeah, dang, boy, this comes with everything. Oh, let me see the front one. I bet, yeah, right. They better have everything. Oh, dang. These things are huge. Hey. Oh my god. These have camber plates or no? Oh, they do. Dang, this thing, look at this thing compared to mine. Dang. What are the numbers for? You know? Does he already have some air?
No.
No?
That's
how it is? That's how hey, this one has a lot of room to work with. Dang. Hey, this is way better. None of that stuff with zip ties and stuff. This one has.
Bro, zip ties anyway.
Oh, bro, yeah. Oh, look. Brings you a little spanner wrench and everything. Damn. They're nice. Dang. How long do you think is this gonna take? Yeah, that sucks. I hate them. What is this, all the management and stuff?
Yeah.
So I mean, if we're able to do it and everything, this will probably be like the first video on doing bags, right? If we get to do everything. You know, something always has to happen and it backs us up. Dang. Oh my god. How big this thing. Yeah, boom. What is it, the controller, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember seeing it last time. So right now we're just gonna, he's gonna plan on how he's gonna do everything. How you're gonna want everything. No, heavy. It'll make your car lower though.
But like, I don't know if I should just take it off.
Boy, have you seen mine? Mine's like too big. It was too big. That thing is I don't know how they made it that big. Oh, but where's it? The tank gonna fit right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Which one you're gonna use? That big one? The other one?
Yeah, the 5 gallon.
Those are the ones from that tank, right? The ones you got from the guy. Cause he bought the ones with the airlift, but he also bought some from a friend. Cause it's bigger tank and everything, so it's better. And it comes with 2 compressors. Oh, you want them sideways? Why don't you make the other one like that? No. Oh, well, out or in? Yeah, depends on how you want it. Yeah. Where is the mounts? You have them? Oh,
No, it's because you put like a freaking like a screw or something.
and then?
Or not or something. Yeah.
And then?
I don't know, like a whole
What?
thing,
Oh,
like,
yeah.
I don't fucking know.
That doesn't, unless we turn the whole thing going like this, making it go in, screw in.
I don't know how to do that.
That's what I'm telling you, like. Well, doesn't the other the one that you bought, doesn't
my
it?
brother-in-law,
Uh-huh.
There's some like a strap
Uh-huh.
que venden que you put it like up here.
Mhm.
So you just bolt it like that.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Like that.
Okay, yeah.
So como unos pinches straps.
Yeah. Okay.
Pero I told him que esto no va a estar así.
Yeah, like moviéndose, yeah, all over the place. Dang. And the one that came with this one, doesn't have mounts,
Oh yeah, it does.
but they're attached to it, right? Oh, you didn't bring it? Yeah, putting through there, dang. Now you have to take the ones over here. Okay. Mira aquí con los cables acá. And bolts and nuts down there. Yeah, they're like ahí tirados. Well, that's missing from somewhere. You just bought the jack stands?
Yeah.
Yeah. I see. Pull it out. Yeah. Make sure you get it from the clips. Pull it through here, the bottom, in the middle. I can't. Well, we're back. Day 2. Dang. You just put everything back. It got dark fast, and then it was cold, right? Boy, I was freezing yesterday. Wait, so with what are you gonna make the bracket?
What bracket?
Like the one in the video.
Oh. So we are gonna make a bracket?
Oh yeah, it's better. Cause you can adjust to whatever point you want.
True, but we have to see where though.
Yeah, like where to put
Where
it.
to put it, yeah, because if we put it like how they put it on the swivel rig, I don't know where
On
we're
this
gonna
one?
mount. Yeah, I don't know where we're gonna mount the sensor.
I mean, we're gonna have to look again, right? Yeah, we're gonna have to look again. Let me pause it. Loosen up the wheel. All the covers off in the trunk. Now we need to make a bracket to put the height sensors. And loosen up all the wheels to have it all in the jack on the jack stand.
First, let me hop out the motherfucking Porsche. I don't wanna relax, don't sit like a horse. I be by
best part?
I don't know, the best one we've seen. Hold on.
Sure.
Sure. Do you want a new one? Oh.
Are you sure it was like this?
I guess.
¿Ya lo pongo?
Yeah.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
¿Sí o no?
Yeah. Yeah, este hasta tiene el tapón where we can take out the cable for the sensor. Yeah. It probably even has to go in the middle, no? I mean, the first one, or no? You think in the middle one?
Mhm.
The hole. You think the second one would be good?
A ver.
Or is that thing?
Or even
Hey, whoa. I thought you were looking. What are you gonna say?
bring the
template?
screws. Pero,
Oh, to put the. Put ahí abajo.
which is actually
The other side of it. Yeah, that's what I'm. Check another one, then poke it out to see if it does. Alright, so we have two connected already. The rear left. You see? Yeah. This is for the sensor, and we passed it through that hole right there. We have it down here. Let me see if y'all can see. Block the sun. This is the height sensor right here. Y'all can see right here. Let me get it closer.
No.
That one doesn't have it?
No.
We're gonna find that other one where that the brake line is. And we pass the connection to the bottom right here. And looks clean right here through here, so it's not bad right there. Now we need to find the other one. A ver. Poke it through, I don't know where you. Yeah. Run this side, cause that one had a spot right there, y'all see? And we ran the cable through right there. Sorry we have a mess, but we just have all the cables on here. There's this side already connected. Now the what side's right here? Rear left. And rear right. So we're finding a spot over here. And there's more progress today than yesterday. Okay. So this one, good. See which one. See if it matters what side or not. Did y'all hear that? Sound like, I don't know what. It doesn't say any sides or anything. Rear, just the rear. So I guess it don't matter what side. Compare it to y'all. don't know if he wants me to thread them more down or what. Just leave it like that and connect it. Alright, so I'm gonna put in, see if I can. Second one done. There. Tying everything up. The sensor in the bag. The lines running through back there, y'all can see. Show you. Alright, so for the front ones, what do you have to take off? These two?
Those two.
And
The top ones.
And that's
you
it?
have to take the
brake lines
brake lines, the ABS cable.
and the top ones, yeah. Right, it just comes off. No, no vino. Oh, it looks like you had them. You just have to press them.